Hi, fellow sharpeners. I'm really enjoying seeing the various presentations or ideas that are coming across the stages, that type of stuff. This idea that I have isn't so much more about sharpening, but it's more about my ergonomics. So I go in with my Cymec into the salons a lot of times, and you never ever know what you're going to get. It might be a workstation. Are you standing? Are you sitting? With my Cymec, I really do like to sit at a table and work at that platform versus standing all the time. So what I end up doing is I take my own table and my own chair. Now, one of the things that I deal with is how am I going to pack a chair around? Well, I came up with a really neat solution, and that fits in my toolkit. So on Amazon, this little gizmo is a seat. So it just turns around and expands out. And now it can turn around and sit down on my floor, and I can sit on it, and it's adjustable so it can lock into different heights. So if you're in a van and you've got a little lower table and you need somewhere to sit, this makes a perfect thing. And like I said, when I'm done, it just folds up and it packs into my my rolling toolkit. It makes it so much easier, and then that way my table, my chair, my whole platform where I work with the scissors is always consistent. I never have a changing situation. And I also use part of my top of my toolkit to be the place where I work my my whetstone. So I can either do it on my little table. It's only like 22 inches by 32 inches, something like that. So it's a very small footprint. Everything is always consistent. Doesn't matter which shop I go into. I'm not having to change and get things just the right way. And I find that it's just provides me a more consistent way and approach to ensure the quality of my sharpening. That's my idea. Thanks again.